Hello and welcome to ecoHaus. My name's Craig. I'm one of the managing directors here at ecoHaus, and I want to give you a short introduction into who we are and what we do. So ecoHaus is a UK-based business. We're a family-run company, so I'm one of three brothers that work at the business. Myself and David run the business together. We have a showroom in Nailsworth, we have a showroom in Godalming in Surrey, and we also have a small satellite showroom in Buryport in Swansea. We cover the whole of the UK in supplying architectural glazing products for new build, renovation, extension and remodelling projects. We offer four main brands or ranges of products. So Internorm, we are the largest Internorm partner in the UK. We've been a partner with Internorm since we started 14 years ago, and we specialised in supplying all of their products throughout the UK. This year we won Best New Build Project with Internorm for the whole of Europe. We also won Buildit's 2024 Best Glazed Doors using the Internorm product on a new build project down in Surrey. So we really do know what we're doing when it comes to the Internorm range of products. We also offer the Rationel, the Velfac, and our own brand of aluminium products called Visiline, which covers your slimline sliders and your aluminium casement style windows. As I said, we've got two main showrooms which supply all our main product ranges. So we've got every product on display in our Nailsworth showroom in Gloucestershire and our Godalming showroom in Surrey. And then we also have a small range of products on display in Buryport in Swansea. We cover every aspect when it comes to windows and doors for your new build project. So we've got our technical sales team who will go through the quotation with you. They'll talk about designing the right style of windows and doors for your project, what works, what doesn't work, talk about budgets and getting it to work within your budget, and what's going to work for your new build project or your extension project for where you are. When it becomes an order, it will then get handed through to our survey team who'll work with your architect or your builder or yourself if you're doing a self-build project, where we'll work on the detailing, we'll come out and measure the openings, and we'll make sure that we're ordering the right size product, obviously, to suit your project. We then have our installations department who will manage all the installations. So we install 99% of our products, all with our installation teams, which are based around the UK. So we'll come out, we'll install the product, and we'll then provide a full warranty based on the installation and the product itself. So we really do try and cover the whole aspect of the windows and doors for your project as a whole. If you want to find out any more information about what we do, then please visit the website. Take a good look at the project gallery. There's some great projects on there which we've been lucky enough to be involved with to just really showcase what we offer as a business. There's some more videos on there on the products that we do and some of the projects, and we'll slowly be releasing some more videos on site of different projects that we're currently working on and the clients that we're working with.